Fennel-Crusted grilled pork porterhouse topped with citrus salad. We have our pork porterhouse. They have been coming out to room temperature. I'm gonna get my rub going. So I have equal parts brown sugar, kosher salt, and then half the amount of ground fennel, chili flake, and a good amount of cracked black pepper. So liberally with the rub on both sides. And then I am just gonna hit these with a little bit of fat before I put them on the grill. I have some duck fat in a can, which I'm gonna use, but any fat would work here. Whatever you kind of have on hand works just fine. So we're gonna give these a little spray. Now with pork, I'm gonna go 145 to get that juicy pork, especially with the porterhouse. If you cook them too far, they will be dry. Fat side down. Okay, as this is going, as I promised, I am going to make a fennel and citrus salad. So pretty thin, set your mandolin. All right, so shaved fennel goes in the pool. I'm also gonna take these tops, just with my knife. They still have good flavor. Remember, with any vegetable like this, the closer to the root, the more intense the flavor is. So this goes in. I'm gonna give those pork chops a flip again. So we're gonna move them over here, no longer on the coals. And then I'm gonna set down the lid. It's gonna create an oven in my grill and cook these through to the desired temp. So we are gonna supreme or segment these oranges. I don't wanna get the fibrous part. I'm just all flesh. So that way, when people are eating the salad, they don't have to deal with that fibrous part of the orange. So we're gonna put in a little bit of zest for Liv, and Liz likes the zest too, so. All right, now we're gonna put in about a cup of mint leaves, just whole, just pick off those mint leaves. I'm going to hit this with some extra virgin oil. Just gonna make like a dressing right in here. Sherry vinegar, little bit of honey, some kosher salt. This is actually crunchy sea salt, which will be nice for texture, and a good amount of cracked black pepper. Give this a toss. And once this is all tossed, it's just gonna hang out and marinate. I wouldn't even put it in the fridge. Let it sit at room temp and let it marinate until your pork chops are done. And this is gonna be the topper. So broccoli rub's ready, pork chops. We topped them with that fennel citrus salad. I'm just gonna gild the lily a little bit, just a little bit of fennel pollen, just right on top to finish our fennel theme.
Pollen.
Me too. Pork chop first.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
That has a beautiful smoky flavor. I love anytime there's like a meat protein, I love a salad with it. Something to cut through the fattiness. That's an amazing combo.